Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If new here, please like, subscribe. In this video, we discuss allotment of marks of each topics in the commercial laws in section A, industrial law section B, companies act section C, and ethics section D. So we all know. So commercial laws taken 30 marks. We prepare for 50 marks. So at least we prepare for each topic 50 marks for passing strategy. If you passed, if you qualify this top paper, you at least prepare for commercial laws 50 marks overall. Overall we have 5 topics, 5 study notes. So we prepare at 5 topics. We score each 10 marks from at least 10 marks. We prepare at least 10 marks prepare in each topic. So we prepare entire commercial industrial in the Indian Contract Act. So if you have only prepare, if you leave it industrial laws, so only prepare at least 50 marks here. So you must prepare ethics, completely prepare ethics. So Companies Act 35 marks. We prepared this paper also got 60. We prepare 60 to 70 marks. As much you can prepare. You must thoroughly prepare for these topics. At least to score full marks here. Companies Act. So tomorrow onwards I will explain each and every topic in particular topic. So please like, share, subscribe. This is the most waiting passing strategy. So quasi contracts, at least contingent contracts, these 5 times given by the examinations. So 2 to 6 times quasi contracts given in the last 10 examinations. Bailment pledge at least important. Loss of agency important. These 2 topics at least important. 90% must need. So moving to the definitions. If you study thoroughly, you can subject gain is important. So if you first I am telling for his only passing passing technique. So if you interested, please like, share, subscribe. So dishonor of unnegotiable instruments is very important topic. This topic is must and read in this topic. So you forgot the conditions and warranty transfer of shares. This study note is very important for short marks questions, 4 marks questions. You must read for at least 4 marks. Give at least 1 question taken by the institute. At least taken 1 question is taken from this particular topic. At least 1 question, either 4 marks or 10 marks. Either in case some 8 marks also. You must read this topic. This question, rights of unpaid seller or vendor. This question is very important. And also performance of contract of sale is given by the last previous examinations. So you must read these 2 topics in this particular study note. Sales of goods of Act 1930 we discuss here. Definition and transfer of ownership, conditions and warranties, performance of contracts. And this this study note is very important. You score 4 marks. And definitions of negotiable instruments act. This is the main topic in this section A of the commercial law. This question taken this in 10 marks. Crossing is very important here. In short questions are defined how many types of crossing in the negotiable. He asked the questions in previous examinations. The dishonor and negotiable instruments is very important for long type questions. Rights and liabilities are important. This very important for 4 marks questions also, and in case of big questions also. So in Indian partnership is very important. Reconstitution and constitution of dissolution partner. This topic is must and should read, because this question is very commonly asked. One atom after one atom. So you must read this one atom. you must read the Indian partnership mainly. So nature of partnership is only for 4 marks in sometimes 4 marks given in some examinations. So limited liability partnership is very important for 4 marks questions, and also bits type, and also bits, and that is MCQs. This is the passing strategy of this. What overall is, this is very important. You must difference between in this topic I forgot at this difference between differences in must be read for 4 marks questions. So contingent contracts is very important for in case of 4 mark questions also in this topic. Legality of a object is very important in for 4 marks or 6 marks questions also. This is the most must read this topic in 5 topics. So in the industrial laws, we discuss the industrial laws here. Section B, this score this given 25 marks. So in this Factories Act, we need occupier questions, certified surgeons, creatures. Mainly this topic in this important. Mainly this topic is very important here. Mainly welfare measures of taken by the question for full mark questions. In Factories Act, most given questions is what are the welfare measures in a factory. So like that, who is the certified surgeon, creatures, and like this. This is the important top 3 questions is very important. Payment of gratuity is very important in this topic. Mostly given in this question. At least 2 questions given here. Factories are almost given for 4 marks only. Factories Act is given 4 marks only. This is not this is not useful. Mainly taken only bonus act must read at least 80-90% you bonus act read thoroughly. Bonus act is very important, and also minimum wages is very important. This also we read 90%. Payment of wages are also very important. So 90% we at least read. 10% read for MCQs here. 10% read for MCQs. 8th 9th. So pension gratuity is only for 5%. Only 2 questions here, and that's it. Rarely given. Rarely important 2 questions. That is only rarely questions important. So in the industrial laws we study at least 60%, maximum we read 60 to 70% we read. And also industrial 50 to 50, 60 to 50 marks we get. Read at least 50 marks we get. We must read. You must read 50 marks. That's it. So we move into the Companies Act. Companies Act you must read 100 marks for practical purpose or regular. 100% marks we give 100% marks to you to read. This Companies Act give only 35 marks. You must read 100 marks. This is the very important. In this topic, most important topic is Section 8 companies, 1% companies. More weighted of topics here it is 1, 2, 3. 1% company and formation of incorporation of companies. These 3 here, and some buyback shares is not important. Debentures for 4 marks. And global depositor companies is equal to 4 marks. This is the annual returns meeting of companies and extraordinary. This also called 4 given 4 marks. Most weighted 4 marks for 4 marks given here, and then 10 marks and 8 marks given in this section first part 1. So I divided into three parts. First one is 10 marks, fill in the blanks, match the followings and everything here. And then we move to the director. The taken from at least weightage here, 16 marks weightage here, 11 marks here. So weightage here this is the 36 marks, 34 marks you must read here, 34 marks in this part. Overall we get 35 marks to prepare, so we get at least 60 to 70 marks. Maximum read as much you can. So this is total, we read 6 hours to read this complete topic for first time. So ethics, we move to section D. Ethics, you score 60 to 20 marks, we prepare. Main topics is mostly valid are ethics in business, you must read for 4 marks. Most weighted here, ethics of business is very important for 4 marks. 7 principles of public life is very important for 7 to some, in case you asked for 7 marks or 10 marks, 8 marks, depends upon their nature. So value and attitudes of professional is very important, and value chain is here very important. This is the topic wise each weightage of marks given by the examinations in previous year. Hope you like this my video, so please like it, share, subscribe. So I will explain all the tomorrow onwards, so please follow my regular updates. So direct identification number here, it is very important for 4 marks. This is very important. You blindly thoroughly studied, the DIN number is very important here. So you must prepare for as much as 60 to 100%. You must read all Companies Act. Companies Act you must read. Companies Act must read. Ethics blindly read it. No questions. It is called 5 pages also. I think 5 pages. You must read these two. You get easily qualified. You complete this paper. You qualify. You score at least 40 plus. These 2 topics you read, you score at least 40%. For exemption you must read all. So this is the passing strategy of my estimation. So please like it, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.